Experience seamless connectivity with the HP Envy 16 inches. Combine the creative power of your devices with HP Palette. Enjoy the ultimate color accuracy on a 16-inch display. Plus, with the Intel processor and powerful graphics, it can handle what you throw at it. Look and sound your best on video calls with a 5MP camera with auto frame and AI noise reduction. It's a snazzy, ultra-portable laptop that weighs almost 5.12 pounds. This model dimensions and weight is: height, 0.78 inches, width, 14.07 inches, depth, 9.91 inches. It's super easy to carry around, and it's got most of the features that IT departments and business executives and users really need. This model processor is Intel Core i7-12700H. It's up to 4.7 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology, 24 MB L3 cache, 14 cores, and 20 threads. This model is available integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics and dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060, 6GB GDDR6 graphics. Let's start with the webcam. It's absolute best image quality that you'll get from a webcam, and is great for peace of mind when you're on video calls all day long. This model display is 16 inches diagonal, WQXGA, 2560 by 1600, 120 Hz, IPS, edge-to-edge glass, micro-edge, low blue light, 400 nits, 100% sRGB. The keyboard and the touchpad on the Envy series are also improved, compared to the previous generation. I think the typing is very comfortable, the clicking on the pad is very satisfying, and it makes a thud sound when you click, which costs around about starting at $1,750. It has 1TB CNVMe SSD and 16GB DDR5-4800 MHz RAM. This laptop's right side has one AC smart pin, one super speed USB Type-A, 10 gigabits per second signaling rate, one HDMI 2.1 port, two Thunderbolt 4 with USB 4 Type-C, 40 gigabits per second signaling rate with USB power delivery, DisplayPort 1.4, HP Sleep and Charge. And the left side has an air ventilation, one super speed USB Type-A 10 gigabits per second signaling rate, one headphone/microphone combo jack, and one microSD media card reader. Overall, the HP Envy 16 series is a great laptop for IT departments that have lots of security and manageability concerns. And it's very comfortable and easy to use for business executives or users as well. One of the best parts about the HP Envy 16 is its very long battery life. I tested this machine at more than 15 hours of battery life, playing a video non-stop before the battery died. That's plenty long enough for a full day of work. Thank you.